Okay, children, coming to the circles revision. Okay, in circles, children, the most important question. Okay, children, among all, 1 second. Yeah, yeah. This one, children. Means all the questions are important, but this question is very important. Please check all of you, mute your audios. Like this, children, many of you when you're drawing this, this is the center. You'll do one mistake, children. Like this, you'll draw and you'll put like this. Don't put like this, children. It cannot be straight, children. It cannot be straight. Remember, because this should be 90 and this should be 90. Be careful, children, while drawing. Don't draw it straight. Okay? And like this, children. If this is x, if this is y, prove that x is equal to 2y. This is your first example, children. Very, very important. Prove that x is equal to 2y. They will ask children. Prove that x is equal to 2y. Okay, children. So, because tangents reading at a point are equal, tangents reading at a point are equal. Imagine this is k, children. So, handle some property. X plus 2k is equal to how much, children? 180 degrees. X plus 2k is equal to 180 degrees. And y plus k is how much, children?
90 degrees.
Because tangent is perpendicular to radius. Tangent is perpendicular to radius. Multiply with 2, children. 2y plus 2k is equal to again 180 degrees. This is 180, this is 180. X plus 2k is equal to equate 2y plus 2k. 2k cancel. X is equal to 2y. Hence proved. Over, children. That's it. Very, very important question, children. Textbook question. Second question, second example, third example, I think, children, in textbook. They'll give like this. Okay, like this, they will give. This is the center of the circle. They're asking what is the length of the tangent, children. They will give this is 5 centimeters is the radius, and the chord total length is 8 centimeters. They will give, children. Chord total length is 8 centimeters. If chord total length is 8 centimeters, children, a perpendicular bisects the chord. This is 4, this is 4. First Pythagoras theorem, if you apply to this, you will get this as 3. First Pythagoras theorem, you have to apply. Then 5 square is equal to 4 square plus this small some k square, you think. So k is equal to 3. That is first Pythagoras theorem. Second Pythagoras theorem, children. This is from here to here. It take as y, children. Second Pythagoras theorem apply for this. What is the Pythagoras theorem only for this triangle, children? X square
X
is equal to
square is equal to 4 square plus 3 y.
y square. Third Pythagoras theorem, children. Biggest triangle. This is the biggest triangle. Third Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem for this one, children? Y plus 3 whole square. Y
Is
plus
equal
3
to
whole
5
square
square plus x square.
is equal to 5 square plus x square. That's it. 3 times if you use Pythagoras theorem, you'll get. First Pythagoras theorem here you are using, you got it as 3. Second Pythagoras theorem here you are putting. Third Pythagoras theorem for the entire right angle triangle, you got this. This x square you put here, children. When you put there x square, what happens, children? So y plus 3 whole square is equal to, okay. Okay. So y plus 3 whole square is equal to 5 square plus x square is 4 square plus y square. Please see here, children, all of you. So y square plus compulsory this will come, children, today. 6y is equal to 5 square plus 4 square plus y square. Y square cancel. 6y is equal to 25 plus 16 is 41. 41 minus 9 is 32. So y is equal to 32 by 6, children. 2 16 by 2 3 that is 16 by 3. But we don't want y, we want x. Substitute this y here, children, you will get the answer. Over. So x square is equal to 4 square is 16 plus y square with 16 square is 256 by 9. If you solve, children, x square is equal to 144 plus 256 by 9. X square is equal to 400 by 9. And x square is equal to 20 by 3 whole square. This gone. X is equal to 20 by 3 is the radius. 20 by 3 is the radius. First right angle triangle, this here you got 3. Second right angle triangle, Pythagoras here you used, you got equation. Third one is for biggest one. And this you put here, you'll get y. Y you put here, you'll get x. Only 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps you'll get the answer, children. Very easy one. Okay, children. Next one. Okay, next important question, children. In this one, next important question is this one, children. The most important question here is this they have given. Do you? I think Heron's formula sum will be there, children. Heron's formula sum will be there. Here they give radius is 4, children. This is 6. This is 8. They will say, and they'll ask you what is the length of this side and this side. Compulsory question, children. 100% guarantee question. Very, very important. Okay, children. So what happens here? If you see, the question will be like this, children. See here, you have to practice along with me. That will give you another practice today. 6, this is 6. Tangents between a point are equal. If this is 8, this is also 8. Tangents between a point are equal. If this is 8, this is also 8. Tangents between a point are equal. First, you have to find out semi-perimeter. How do you find out semi-perimeter? 6 plus
A
x.
plus B plus C by Y.
8 plus x by 14 by 2. So s is
2.
equal to 14 plus 14, 28 plus 2x by 2. S is equal to 2, you take common. 14 plus x by 2. 2 to common. S cancel. 14 plus x, children. 14 plus x. I hope you are able to understand. Now, children, what is the area of triangle? S into S minus
S minus
A.
A into S minus B into S minus C.
So area is equal to
14 plus X into 14 plus X minus
14.
14 into 14 plus X minus A 6 plus X
No, minus x because
minus 6 minus
be
6.
careful here, children. Okay, next again 4.
14 plus X minus 8 minus X.
Minus 8 minus 6. Okay, so plus x minus 6 plus x minus 6 gone. Plus 14 minus 14 gone. Area is equal to, see children,
14 plus X into 8 into 6.
this is the area of triangle in one step. If you do in another method, children, like this you divide triangle, like this you divide. This is also 4 no, children. This is also 4 no. Okay, so for this you will find area. For this one, what is the area, children? Half into
Half into base into height.
half into 4 is height and base is 14 plus. For this one, children, half into
Half into 4 into 8 plus X.
8 plus x, and for this
Half
triangle, children,
into 4 into 6 plus X.
half into 4 into 6 plus x. Okay, children, so area is equal to half
Half
into
into 4 common. 14 plus 8 plus X plus 6 plus X.
6 plus x.
2
This
to
is 2. So area is equal to 2 into 22, 28. 28 plus 2x, children. 2 you take common. Here is 2, here 2, outside 4. What you will get, children? 14 plus x. This is area in another method, children. Whether you find out
equate them both.
like this or like this, you'll get the same area, actually the same triangle. Here we are dividing 3 and finding the big one, and here directly we found out big one. So equate them, children. When you are equating them, what happens? Root of. So compulsory question, children, please practice. 14 plus x into 48x is equal to, what is that? 4 into 14 plus x. Squaring on both sides, this root gets cancelled, here square will get, children. So 14 plus x into 48x is equal to 4 into 14 plus x whole square. This 14 plus x and the square has gone, children. Okay, and this will become 60, children. I'm sorry, 4 square is 16. This will go here. 16 3s are 48, 14 plus x, children. 2x is equal to 14, x is equal to 7. This is 7, this is 7. So total length of one side is 13 centimeters. The other side is 15 centimeters. Very, very important question. Once Heron's formula, once 3 triangles, then you equate. Once Heron's formula, semi-perimeter, Heron's formula, 3 triangles area, equate them, x is equal to 7, 7 plus 6, and 8 plus 7. This is 15, that is 13. This is also very, very important question. Okay. Okay, children. Anyone have any doubts, children? And then, if you don't have doubts, I'll be telling some more questions, children, so that it will be useful for today's exam. I'll do some more exams questions, children. One second. Yeah, children. Here. Ah, yeah, children, we'll take some more questions. We'll do some questions for practicing, children. So, first question. This is for practicing with children. If you want, you can tell children answers. Okay, for 10 20 questions we'll do so that you'll get revision, fast revision, children. So, exercise 8.2, I'm doing from Adi Sharma, children. All varieties will be covered in this. 20 questions we'll do, children. First question. PT is a tangent, children. Uh, PT is a tangent. PT is a tangent, children. And to a circle whose center OP is 17. OP is 17, children. They said OP is 17 and OT is 8. OT is 8, children. Always draw like this only, children. Be careful. Some people will draw like this, children. Don't draw like that. Please sit here. Some people will draw like this. There is no meaning in this, children. Okay, there is no meaning in this. Now listen. Then how to draw, sir? You'll ask. Like this you should draw. There is a meaning in this because this should come 90 degrees. Here there is no meaning. Or else you draw better, like how I'm drawing. This is 90 degrees, like this. This there is meaning, children. Drawing is very important. Unless then you should not lose the one. Okay, if you want to find the length of the tangent, how do you find out, children? 17 square is equal to 8 square plus
20 square is equal to 8 square plus x square. 289 is equal to 64 plus x square. 220.
square is equal to 50, 15 square, children. So x is equal to 15. That's it. Second question. Okay, children, second question. Find the length of the tangent drawn to a circle of radius 5 centimeters. Children, this is 5 they are saying. This is the length of the tangent is asking. If 13 centimeters away, if this is 13 centimeters away from the center of circle. Okay, children, who will tell this one? Sanvi. Sanvi will tell this one. Sanvi, can you tell what is how to find length of the tangent? Sanvi, apply Pythagoras theorem. Harsh, can you apply Pythagoras theorem here? Harsh. 13 square is equal to 5 square plus x square. 169 is equal to 25 plus x square. This comes here. 144 is equal to x square. 12 square is equal to x square. So x is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. Third question, children. Third question. A point P is 26 centimeters away from the center. Point P is there, children. Point P is 26 centimeters away from the center. Point P is 26 centimeters away from the center. And if the length of the tangent drawn is 10 centimeters, length of the tangent is 10 centimeters, find the radius. You have to find the radius. Rohan, can you tell how to find out apply Pythagoras theorem? Rohan, how to apply Pythagoras theorem here?
24 square is equal to 10 square plus
26,
r square.
26, 26 square is equal to
10 square plus r square.
okay. 676 is equal to
100 square. 576 is equal to r square.
R square is equal to
224 square.
24 centimeters is the radius of the circle. 24 centimeters is the radius of the circle. Okay, children, next question, 1 second. So, we'll do, children, all varieties of question will come, children, now. So that it will be a quick revision for you. Fourth question, do along with me, don't sit idle. If from any point of the common chord and two intersecting lines, tangents be drawn to circle, prove that they are equal. From any point on the common chord of two intersecting circles. Children, two intersecting circles are there, children. This is common chord. This is common chord. Okay. If from any point on the common chord of two intersecting circles, tangents be drawn to the circles, prove that they are equal. Two intersecting circles, common chord is coming, tangents be drawn. So, children, so here how we will draw? So, tangent means this will draw. Okay, like this. No, children. No.
Sir, one circle will be big and circle will be small, no, sir.
Yeah, 1 second. If any point on the common chord of intersecting the tangents be drawn to the circles, prove that they are equal. Yeah, one is bigger, one is smaller. If you take it, then also you can't draw. No, tangents cannot be drawn from any point. Is same. Two intersecting circles, he said. Okay, children, I will tell this.
We will get, no, sir.
How we will get it? No? This is going inside. No?
Not like that, sir. Straight you can draw, no, sir, to two circles. Slanting line.
Like this, sir.
Yes, sir. Little cross if you draw, like one time you said the same questions.
Like this. Okay, I understand. You mean to say like this, sir?
Yes, sir.
and this is intersecting like this. But you have to prove that they are equal, Nana. 1 second. Okay. I will tell. 1 second. Just keep doing other sums. I will tell. Fifth question I am doing. I will tell. Don't worry. 1 second. Yeah, fifth question is if the sides of quadrilateral touch the circle, prove that the sum of pair of opposite sides are equal and is in the form of children. The sides. This is quadrilateral. Please see here. This is quadrilateral. Children. This is quadrilateral. A, B, C, D, and he's telling to prove that AB plus CD is equal to BC plus AD. This is also very, very important. He's saying prove that AB plus DC is equal to BC plus AD. How to do this question, children? How to do this question? Okay, so no need of this one. Children, no need of this one. So, children, first one, let us write this as A, P, Q, R, S. Okay, children, what we'll write to prove this and this equal, this and this equal? What we'll write? AQ is equal to AP. Why AQ is equal to AP, children?
Tangents meeting at a point are
Tangents.
equal.
BQ is equal to BR. Same children. Tangents meeting at a point are equal. CS is equal to CR. CS is equal to CR. Same tangents meeting at a point are equal. DS is equal to DP. DS is equal to DP. Tangents meeting at a point are equal. So AB means AQ plus BQ. AQ plus BQ. DC means DS plus SC. DS plus add all. If you add all, children, AB plus BQ plus CS plus DS is equal to AP plus BR plus CR plus the dp. Okay, AB plus BQ, what we can write, children? AB, this is AQ, I'm sorry, this is AQ. AQ plus BQ, what we can write, children?
AB.
CS plus DS, what we can write, children? CD. AP plus DP. AP plus DP, what we can write, children? AD. And BR plus CR, what we can write, children? BC. Same question in textbook they have asked. This is one question. If suppose it is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, prove it is rhombus. They are asking like this also. If it is a parallelogram, prove it is a rhombus. They are asking, children. If it is a parallelogram, prove it is a rhombus. How do you prove,
I
children?
say
Sir, opposite sides are equal in parallel. No,
in
sir.
already we proved no sir, opposite sides is equal to opposite. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal.
In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal.
2AP is equal to 2AD. 2 to cancel, AB is equal to AD, so now adjacent sides are also equal, so it is a rhombus.
And yeah, very good, very good. And adjacent sides are also equal. Already opposite sides are equal because he only said it is parallelogram. Now we also proved that adjacent sides are also equal. As adjacent sides are also equal, it is rhombus. As adjacent sides are also equal, it is rhombus. Okay, children, they have asked like this question in textbook, children. Okay, so if it is a parallelogram, prove it is rhombus means you have to do this everything, and you have to say it is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal to AB. Opposite sides are equal to AD. 2 to cancel. As adjacent sides also equal, it is rhombus. Okay, children, this was fixed. Next, please keep doing along with each other. That will become another practice. Sixth question. Okay, out of the two concentric circles, the radii of the outer circle is 5 centimeters. Two concentric circles means they have common center. Two concentric circles means they have common center. Okay, like this it will come, children. Like this it will come. The radius of the outer circle is 5 centimeters. The radius of the outer circle is 5 centimeters. And the chord length is 8 centimeters. Chord length is 8 centimeters. Perpendicular from the center bisects the chord, so 4 it will become. What is the radius of smaller circle? What is the radius of smaller circle? Pi square is equal to x square. Okay, 25 is equal to
25 is equal to x square plus 16. X square is equal to 25 minus 9. 16 minus 9, so x is equal to 3 centimeters.
3 centimeters is radius of small circle. Very good. Seventh question. A chord PQ of circle is parallel to the tangent drawn at a point R of the circle. Prove that R bisects the PRQ. A chord PQ of a circle. Children, a chord PQ of a circle. A chord PQ of a circle is parallel to the tangent. This is both are parallel. He's saying a chord PQ is tangent to a circle AB. Imagine AB. Okay. Drawn parallel to the point R of the circle. Okay, PQ is drawn by. Prove that R bisects PRQ. This is that R. R bisects. This R is bisecting arc PRQ. He want to show that, children. He want to show. He's asking this R bisects PRQ. This arc is there. He's saying to prove this arc is equal to this arc. He's asking you to prove. Children, he's asking you to prove this arc is equal to this arc. From here, okay, children. From here, what we will do from the center. From the center, we'll draw one radius. Okay, so children, he is asking to prove that PR is equal to QR arc. PR is equal to QR. He is asking us to prove. If you want to prove that PR is equal to QR, it is just enough if you prove this both angles are equal. If you prove that these angles are equal, it is enough, children. No need to prove anything else. Okay, children. So first only he only said that they are parallel tangents, children. They are parallel tangents. He said, children, we know center to radius, center to tangent is perpendicular. We know center to tangent is perpendicular. We know that. If center to tangent is perpendicular, children, then it is also perpendicular to this chord. If this is 90, this is also 90, children. Okay, so means this is also 90, this is also 90. These both angles are equal, children. These both angles are equal. So these both arcs are equal. Those who didn't understand, again I'm saying it. PQ is parallel to AB. He only gave it. Now, children, OR is perpendicular to AB because tangent is perpendicular to radius. Tangent is perpendicular to. If OR is perpendicular to AB, then OR is also perpendicular to PQ. OR is also perpendicular to PQ. So angle 1 and angle 2, angle 2 also 90 degrees. Because angles are equal, as angles are equal, PR is equal to QR. Okay, PR is equal to QR. Children, if this angle is equal, this and this will become a sector. The length of this sector, also will be equal. We studied it in sectors, no, children. If this angle and this angle are equal, the length of this sector will be equal to length of this sector will be equal to length of this sector. Arc is arc means length of the sector only, no, children. We studied. Okay, so theta by 316 to 2 pi r, we studied theta only important, radius is same anyway, So theta only important because theta both of them became 90. How it became 90? If this is 90, this is 90. If this is 90, this is 90. Okay, this is 45, this is 45. Both of them are becoming 45. Am I correct? This total is not 90. This is 90. So this is also 90. Means this is 90, this is 90. Yeah, 90, actually, not 45. Okay, children, this is 90, this is 90. This is 90, this is 90. So this is 90, this is 90. So as both of them are 90 degrees, the length of the arcs will be equal. Hope you understood, children. Next question. Easy question, children. Nothing. Prove that the diameter AB of a circle bisect all the chords which are parallel to the tangent at any point. He's saying, prove that diameter of a circle bisects all those chords. Prove that. One second. Samita, you joined very late. Science is over. Seventh question. A chord PQ of a prove that diameter AB of a circle. Prove that diameter AB of a circle bisects all those chords which are parallel to the tangent. If this is PQ, this is TS. Okay, children. So let us draw diameter like this now. Okay, what is same question, children? He is saying prove that diameter bisects the chord which is parallel to the tangent. See, children, PQ is parallel to TS. He only gave, and we know diameter is a double radius. We know radius is perpendicular to tangent. So perpendicular from center, children. Perpendicular from center means this is also 90. So this radius is also perpendicular to chords. Radius is perpendicular from center bisects the chord. We studied in 9th class. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord. That is how all the diameters. If chord is parallel to the tangent, it bisects all the chords. Diameter bisects all the chords. If chord is parallel to tangent. Okay. So next question. Like this question, children, very important. 100% guarantee today it will come, children. So A, P, Q. Here there is one circle, children. Here there is one circle X, B, C. What is the question? Means here they are asking. Find the perimeter APQ. What is the perimeter of APQ? They are asking. What is the perimeter of APQ? They are asking. Okay, children. Okay. Find the perimeter. So, children, perimeter of APQ is what, children?
AP plus PQ plus QA.
Very good. AP plus PQ plus AQ. Okay. AP is AP. PQ, what we can write, children? PQ
PX plus XQ.
plus XQ.
plus AQ. Okay. So AP. What is PX, children? What is PX?
BP.
BP, because tangent beating at a point are equal. What is QX, children?
QC.
QC. Why? Because tangent beating at a point are equal. AP plus BP is what, children?
AB plus
QC
AC.
plus AQ plus what, children? AC. And this tangents are also equal, children. This tangents are also equal. So AB plus AC we can write as 2AB or 2AC. 2AB we can write or 2AC. Anything you can write. So perimeter is equal to 2 times of AB, or perimeter is equal to 2 times of AC we can write, or AB or AC will be equal to half the perimeter. Very important question, children. Basing on this, 2-3 questions will come, children. Be careful. Okay. Next, children, prove that the intercept of the tangent between two parallel tangents to a circle subtends right angle at the center. Okay, children. Well, prove that the intercepts of a tangent between two parallel tangents. Children, this is two parallel tangents. This is intercept. Okay. Prove that the intercept of a tangent between two parallel in a circle subtends right angle at the center. Right angle at the center. Okay. So right angle at the center. Children, this is the question, children. I told you that day only. Do you remember, children? Like this question, it will come. He is asking to prove that we have to prove this is 90 degrees. We have to prove that this x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. We have to prove that x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. Textbook question, figure they won't future. What they get? Prove that the intercept of a two parallel tangents subtends right angle at the center. So children, if this is x, this is also x, children. Why? These both are congruent triangles. How they are congruent triangles, children? This side, this are equal. This side, this are equal. Common. No, SSS.
This is congruent.
This both are equal. This both are equal. This is common. This side x means this is also x. If this is y, this is also y, children. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. 2 if you take common, x plus y is equal to 180. X plus y is equal to 90 degrees. So x plus y is 90 degrees. I'm telling you, children, question is very easy. And you have to show SSS congruency also, children. By CPCT, if this is x, this is x. Similarly, this is y, this is y. SSS. These both are equal radius.
Once can you say congruency, sir? One is radius, one is common side.
These both are radius. These both are tangents meeting at a point equal. This is common side.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
We can take RHS also, no, sir?
RHS for these both are?
Yes, sir.
R, H. Yes, what we will take now? Which sides are equal? These both sides are equal.
Common side, radius and 90 degrees.
Okay, common side. Okay, this is 90. This is 90. This is height RH, and this is radius. Yes, we can take RHS also. Okay, yeah. You can take. Okay, children, next 11th question. Please see here, 11th question. So 11th question is given like this, children. Okay, this is one tangent. This is one tangent, and here they are giving like this, children. And this is passing through the center. Children, this is S. This is T. Okay, this is T. This is P. This is R. This is Q. Somewhat. Okay, and this is the going to center of the circle. O means center, children. Always O means center. What is the question, sir? You ask. This is given in dotted lines. So I need to do the question. PQ is the tangent. They said PQ is the tangent. TRQ is 30 degrees. TRQ. Children, they give this is 30 degrees. Find measure of PRS. This is how much they are asking. This is how much they are asking. This is how much they are asking. Yes, children? Anyone wants to say?
Sir, can I say so?
Yeah, tell. If this is 30, this will be how much?
30, sir.
60.
Which one? 60, sir.
Because radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, angle TRQ.
Yeah, if this is 60, this is also 60. Why am I?
60. Same, no, sir.
Radius.
Radius. Same radius.
These both are radius, that's why base angles are equal. If this is 60, this is 60, this will be exterior angle. How much am I? 60 plus 60.
120.
120 degrees.
120, because exterior angle is sum of interior opposite angles. If this is 120, let me take this is x, because this is radius, this is radius. How much, children, it will be? 30, 30. Because 120, 150, 180. If this is 30, what will be this, anyone?
60.
60 degrees.
60, because this total is 90 degrees. Like this you have to do. Hope you are able to understand, children. Those who didn't understand, again I am saying, if this is 30, this is 60. If this is 60, this is also 60. Why? Both are radius, children. These both are radius, 60, 60. If this is 60, this is 60, this is 120. If this is 120, these both will be equal because these both are radius, 30, 30. If this is 30, this is 60 because this is perpendicular. Like that, children. Okay, next question. Two other question. If P and PB are tangents from outside point P such that, children, PA and PB. Let's see here, children. This is 10 they are saying, and of course this will be also 10. APB is 60 degrees. Children, he's saying APB is 60 degrees. Find the chord AB. What is the length of AB? This is the question, children. What is the length of the chord AB? Yes, children, what is the length of the chord AB? This is the question. Children, perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Okay, children, perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Children, this total angle is 60, means this will be 30, this will be 30, because these bigger triangles are similar. Okay, children, now this is opposite, this is hypotenuse. Because this is 90 degrees, we can apply trigonometry also. Can anyone tell who will give opposite by hypotenuse? Children, who will, Sine 30 degrees is equal to OA by 10. 1 by 2 is equal to OA by 10. OA is equal to 5. Children, if this is 5, what will be this, children? OB? 5. And length of the common chord is 10 centimeters. Okay, children?
Other method also can you say?
Yeah, other method also we can do. Equilateral triangle we can say, children. That's what you are saying, Pranati? Equilateral triangle? Other method also is there, children. Those who want, you can see here. See, children, they said that this is 60. We know tangents, median, and point are equal. This is also 60. This is also 60. 63 is the 180. If this is 10, this is 10. This is also 10 because it is an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. Like that, we can do, children. Okay. So it's up to you, children. However you want, you can do. This is an equilateral because this is 60. This is 60. This is 60. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. 10, 10, 10, children. Like that also we can do. Okay. Next question. Please see this, children. Please mute your audience, children. That is the question. In right angle triangle ABC 90 degrees. In right angle triangle ABC 90 degrees. See here. ABC 90 degrees. This is B, this is C. This is 90 degrees, children. A circle is drawn with AB as diameter. A circle is drawn with AB as diameter like this. AB is diameter. Okay. Now intersecting the hypotenuse AC at P. Intersecting AC at P. Okay. Prove that tangent to the circle at P bisects BC. Tangent, if you draw from here, we have to show that it bisects BC. Okay, children? Okay, we have to, required proof is what, children? M is midpoint, we have to show. PM is tangent, it is given. PM is tangent, it is given. M is midpoint. Children, anyone want to say how to do this? We have to prove that M is a midpoint, children. M is a midpoint. So, children, we know this is 90 degrees. So, okay, since this is coming, this is also tangent, children. This is 1 second. He said that AB is perpendicular to BC, children. PM is also tangent. PM is also tangent. We have to prove that MB is midpoint. Okay, children. So how we will do? Yeah. intersect BC. Children, we know this is 90 degrees. If you draw a triangle like this is common side. Yeah, children. M is midpoint here.
Sir,
Yeah.
when you do that, that 90-degree angle at B will be bisected. So 45 on this side and 45 over there near P.
This is 45, you want to say? No, this is 90. Angle in a semicircle will be 90. No, no, no. This is angle in semicircle is 90. This is 90 mm.
Not that, sir. Angle BPM. Will that be
Angle
45?
BPM. How much this is?
45.
Yeah, why 45?
Because you bisected the 90-degree angle.
No, 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 I didn't bisect anything. I didn't bisect anything. But if this is 90 degrees, this whole thing also will be 90 degrees. This whole thing will be 90 degrees. Yeah, mute your audio, man. This is 90 degrees. This whole thing also 90 degrees. Why? Its total angle is 180 now, children. So angle P is 90 degrees. We have to prove that M is midpoint, children. We have to prove that M is midpoint. What will do, children? So this is A, this is B, this is M, this is P, this is O, children. So what happens? Children, this is the 90 degrees pakka. And if you draw one line like this, O is the center.
So even OPM is also 90 degrees. No, sir, it's a tangent. PM is a tangent.
OP is
90 degrees OPM.
OPM
PM, 90 degrees. Yeah. But opposite only 90 degrees are coming. This we can't say it is 90 degrees or not. We can't say whether this is 90 degrees or not. We can't say. M is the midpoint we have to prove. M is the midpoint. Okay, children. Anyone have any idea? PSO circle is on AP as intersecting hypotenuse. So the tangent P bisects BC. We have to show that M is the midpoint. This we can't say this is 90 degrees. This is 90 because it is a tangent. This is 90 because this is a tangent. If you draw one
PM
line,
is equal to BM, we can say, no, sir, by length of the tangents.
PM is equal to
PM, sir.
PM is equal to
PM is equal to BM.
PM is equal to BM tangent.
Because of a length of tangents, we can say.
These both are radius. This is common side.
Sir, angle PBM and is equal to angle BPM. Angles opposite function, equal sides.
This one.
Yes, sir.
These are 1990 already we got no. We can say BM is equal to PM. We can say BM is equal to PM. And these both are congruent triangles, we can say. If these both are congruent triangles, this angle and this angle will be equal. This angle and this angle will be equal. Okay, so if this is X, this is X. If this is Y, this is Y, children. Okay. If you add these both, children, if you add these both, 2x plus 2y, children, this is already 180 over now, children. This is already 180 over now, children. Try to understand. This is 180 over. This both also will be 180, children, because 12 is 360. 2 if you take common, x plus y is equal to 180. X plus y is equal to 90. Children, I got this is also 90. See, this is also I got 90, children. Once I got this is 90, this is also 90, children. This is also 90. Okay, so because this is 90, this is 90, children, see, these both are parallel tangents. These both are parallel, I can say. Children, I got this is 90, try to understand. This is 90. This is 90, I got, children. Now you see, children, if these both are 90, now I can say PM is parallel to AB. I can say now. PM is parallel to AB, children. PM is parallel to AB. Okay, children. If PM is parallel to AB, okay, PM is parallel to AB. What we can say, children, if PM is parallel to AB by midpoint theorem, midpoint theorem also can be applied. PM is parallel to AB.
So OP is parallel to BC, sir.
Oh, this
In
is
the
90.
down
This
figure,
is
OP
90.
is parallel to BC, sir. In that we can apply midpoint theorem.
Yeah, but okay. In this triangle, you're saying, in this triangle,
Yes, sir.
O is midpoint. These both are parallel. So P is midpoint. Now you can say if P is midpoint, M is midpoint. Yes, we can say like this. Children, I think I'm confusing you people, children. I'm sorry. Now I will show in 3 steps, children. That's the final. This is 3 steps. See here, children. Children, see here. This is given like this, children. This is A, this is B, this is P, this is M, this is C, and here also one center. This is 90, this is 90, we know, children. And this is also 90, we have shown here, children. If this is 90, this is also 90, children. Okay, first you see, this is O is compulsory midpoint, no, children. O is compulsory midpoint. If O is midpoint, P is also midpoint. How, children? By midpoint theorem. Because OP is parallel to BC. How parallel are these 1990? No, they are parallel. If O is midpoint, P is midpoint. Finish. Now in this triangle, CAB you see, children. In CAB you see, children. If P is midpoint, M is also midpoint because these both are also parallel. Okay, children. Only again I am saying, children, those who need to understand. Angle M is equal to 90 degrees. We have proved here. Now, first in ABC triangle, O is midpoint because center of the diameter. So P is midpoint. How, children? By midpoint theorem. Converse of midpoint theorem. Converse of midpoint theorem. Now you see CBA, children. CBA triangle. If P is midpoint, M also midpoint. M also midpoint. If M is midpoint, VM is equal to CM. That's what PM is. Here only thing is how you got this is 90 degrees. This is important. This is 90, this is 90. 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. I got x plus 590. If this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90. This is parallel to this is parallel to this. I hope you understood, children. Anyone have any doubt in this sum, children? 30%?
Sir, have you got P90, sir, first?
Nana? What, Nana?
P, have you got 90, sir?
PM is the tangent. He only said, Nana. PM is the tangent. He said this in the question. PM is also tangent. He only said PM is the tangent. Prove that M is the midpoint. Tangent is perpendicular to radius normal. Next question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next question. 14 question. That's what, children. If you keep practicing addition, you will come across so many different varieties of sums. Your thinking, analyzing capacity will increase. From an external point, PA and PB are drawn. Okay, PA and PB are drawn, children. PA and PB are drawn with center O. With center O. With center O. At one point A on the circle, tangent is drawn which intersects PA and PB at C and D. Which intersects PA and PB at point at PA at C and D, children, like this, C and D. Okay, respectively. PA is 14. Children, he's saying PA is 14 centimeters. Find the perimeter of PCD. What is the perimeter of PCD? What is the perimeter of PCD? Can anyone tell what is the perimeter of PCD, children? PCD
Sir,
is
can
what?
I say
Yeah, PC plus
PC plus CA?
CD plus DB.
Oh.
PC plus
Plus
CD.
CD plus DP.
He's asking
Next,
what is the perimeter of
PC,
PCD only. Yeah, now
PC can be written as PC only. CD can be written as CE plus ED. DP as it is.
Okay.
PC plus CE can be written as AC as tangents meeting at a point are equal. ED is equal to BD. Tangents meeting at a point are equal plus DP. AC plus AC plus,
Hello.
no sir, PC plus CA is equal to PA.
PC plus AC is equal to PA, okay. And BD plus DP is
PD plus BD is equal to AB.
PA and PV
Are
equal.
equal because tangents meeting at a point are equal, so that can be written as 2PA.
28 centimeters. So if this is 14, 42 is 28 centimeters is length of this, length of this. Okay, children, like that questions will come, children. They are very easy only. Only thing is you have to analyze and you have to do slowly, children. Okay, one more question, children. This question is very, very important. Compulsory 100% guarantee, children, to this question. They are giving triangle like this. This question, so many times in board exam also they asked. Okay, children, they are giving here radius. Okay. So children, question is ABC is right angle, BC is 6 centimeters. This question is very, very important, children. Please see how I am doing. See, children, this is 6 centimeters and this is 8 centimeters. He is asking you to find the radius. Anyone? This is also 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees. Divide the triangle into 3 equal halves. Okay, children. So big triangle area. What is a big triangle area, children? Okay. If this is 8, this is 6. What will be this, children? Pythagoras theorem. 64 plus 36. This will be 10, children. 64 plus 36. This will be 10. Now, children, what is a big area right angle triangle? Half into
Half into 6 base into 5.
Which is equal to
half
half of the
into
40.
6 into R
R
plus
is
half
half
into
into 10 into R
plus
plus half into 8 into R.
that's all, children. The big right angle triangle area is equal to this plus this plus this. Big right angle area triangle, this area plus this area plus this area. Half to half to half to half to gone. 48 is equal to 6R plus 10R plus 8R is 24R. R is equal to 2 centimeters. So many times they ask this question, children. Very, very, very important. Big triangle area is half into base into height is equal to this area plus this area plus this area. You have to remember, children, easy method of doing, children. Okay, next question. Sixteenth question. See here, prove that the tangents drawn at a midpoint of an arc of a circle is parallel to the chord joining the endpoints of the arc. See, children. This is A, this is B. This is an arc. See, prove that the tangents drawn at the midpoints of an arc of a circle. Midpoint of an arc of circle. This is midpoint. If you draw a tangent, prove that the tangent drawn at the midpoint of an arc of circle is parallel to the chord joining the endpoints of the arc. Parallel to the joining the endpoints of the arc. We did know, children, already. OM is perpendicular to P. OM is perpendicular to PQ. So OM is perpendicular to AB also, because if this is 90, this is also 90. So this is 90, this is 90, means AB is parallel to PQ. Over, simple question. AB is parallel to PQ. That's it. Okay. This if you give you should not feel nervous, children. Okay. 17th question. From point P2 tangents PA and PB are drawn. From point P2 tangents PA and PB are drawn to circle with center O. OP is a, children, this is very, very, very important question. 100% guarantee. Pakka, children, today is. OP is diameter, children, very, 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 very important. OP is diameter, they have given, children. OP is diameter, they are giving, children. OP is diameter of circle. Show that APB is equilateral. Children, pakka question, children. APB is equilateral triangle. Very, very important question, please. If this is R, this will be 2R, children, because he's saying OP is equal to diameter. If this is R, this is 2R. If this is R, this is 2R. He said, this is 90, we know. This angle we should find out. This is opposite, this is hypotenuse. Who will give opposite to hypotenuse, children?
Sine.
Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. R cancel. Sine theta is
Sine
equal to 1
30.
by 2. Sine theta is equal to sine 30. Theta is equal to 30. If this is 30, this is also 30. P is equal to 60. If P is equal to 60, now we want only OPB, children. We want only OPB, children.
Join AB.
Okay, we want only this one. If this is 60, this is also 60, this is also 60. Why? Tangent linear point are equal.
Base angles are equal.
So PQ BAB is an equilateral triangle. That's it. Compulsory it will come, 100% guarantee. OP is given equal to diameter. That's it. After this, one more question is there. That is also very important. They're asking children, very important, very easy sums. This question also very important, children. Last question. After this, we'll stop. Here there is a tangent, children. Okay, this after this I will stop. See here, children. This is PA and this is PB, children, and this is a tangent. Please see here, children. Okay, PA and PB are tangents with circle center. Okay. APB is 120 degrees. Given what is required to prove means we have to prove that OP is 2AP. OP is 2AP. That's all. 1 second. This is 60, this is 60, this is 90, children. Children, we have to prove that OP is 2 times of AP. OP is 2 times of AP, children. Children, this is OP and this is AP. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Who will give, children? Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Cos.
Cos 60 degrees is equal to AP by OP. What is cos 60, children? 1 by 2 is equal to AP is equal to OP. So OP is equal to 2AP over. That's it. Children, this is also very important question. That's why I told you, children. It definitely will come today, children. Any doubts? 1 second, I will come, children.